Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So we have been discussing about a single indicator. So today let us discuss about the previous performance of the MST ICO 2.0 indicator. So we have recently given update for the indicator. So I will show you what are the updates we have given. So by default, there will be first buy entry, first buy targets, and first buy SL. Similarly, there will be first sell entry, first sell targets, and first sell SL, and second buy entry, second buy targets, and second buy SL, second sell entry, second sell targets, and second sell SL. So now all the four will be by default it will be available. In addition, we have given the extra levels for weekly buy zone and weekly sell zone. Similarly, monthly buy zone and monthly sell zone we have given, and we have given one MST trend zone. So this trend zone will show you the trend of the market, and time frame we have given this many time frame we have given. By default it will be in day time frame, and we have given another calculation method also. So if you want, you can use that calculation. Then SL, there are 1 2 3 6 5 types of SL will be there. So tiny SL, small, normal, big SL, and big 2 SL. Similarly, there will be tiny targets, small targets, normal targets, big targets, and big 2 targets will be there. So now we have added one more features. So it will draw the midpoint of the entry. So this one will be top midpoint, and this the DBP will be bottom midpoint. Then pivot point CPR we have added. So this is the CPR pivot point, and this is the previous day close. So that also we have added. And then we have given one option. So if you want to particularly draw one line for say any price, say it is 38,200, then you have to enter the price 38,200 and enable this button. So automatically that line will be drawn for you. Okay, so that option we have given now. Then we have given 3 moving average along with the VWAP. So if you want, you can use simple moving average, SMA, EMA, Hull moving average, WMA, SWMA, VWMA, and VWAP. So whichever you want, you can use. The same thing we have copied to 3 times. So if you want, you can use the combination of 3 moving average along with the VWAP. So these are the contents we have in our indicator as of now. So now I will go here and I will give reset. Okay, this will be by default it will be showing you. So there will be 2 entries initially. One is, where is the drawing? So this one will be our day entry, and this will be our weekly entry, this will be our monthly entry, this will be weekly entry, this will be monthly entry. So yesterday what happened in the Bank Nifty? So now you all can see. So in Bank Nifty what we are suggesting, you can keep by default, otherwise you can change to 360 also, it is up to you. So now you see what happened. Exactly sell got activated here and it has reached the buy level. Again buy activated, then reached the sell level. That's all. So we are suggesting only one trade per day. So if you are calculating in that strategy, so sell activated, our targets hit. That's all. For aggressive trader, if you want, you can go for the reversal entry. Again, you can go for the one more entry. Now, if once target has been given, see here we have taken the sell entry in 360. Okay. Now for again to go for buy entry, you should not go with the same time frame. Go here and change to day time frame. So why I am asking to change to day time frame, because you will get the perfect entry. So we will not lose much amount. See here the low was 38,007 Okay, our entry was 38,005. So since it is a spot value, we will be taking the entry when it comes to nearby value. Similarly, when it goes here, here also we got the entry. Exactly, if we enable the targets, the first target would be achieved. So now what you have to do, for the third reversal entry, you have to enable the MST other calculation. See here, again you will get the perfection. So this perfection you will get, you will not lose any amount. So how you have to take? First, by default you have to trade. Then in the second entry, you have to change the time frame. If you want to go for third entry, then you have to go for the other calculation. So this way you can reduce the loss and you will get the perfect entry. So if you don't understand anything, just keep it in default settings and trade. That's all. So we have given many methods. So only for the people who understand, it will be helpful. If you don't understand, no issue. Please just keep in default settings and trade. So I will show you for the Bank Nifty features. So Bank Nifty features, what happened? Exactly, sell activated, targets hit. So we have also mentioned about the virgin entry. So yesterday entry also we can consider. See here, exactly it has taken support from there, then it has reversed. So this is how we have to trade using our indicator. It is very simple. Let us see the crude oil yesterday what happened. So in crude oil what happened yesterday? First sell only got activated. So here sell got activated. Then immediately SL hit. So after SL hit, our target hit. First target hit, second target hit, third target, fourth target, fifth target. All the targets have been hit. Again it has given a retracement. Then the candles got closed only above the zone. None of the candle has been closed below the zone. See here, none of the candle has closed below the zone. Now it is the rejection of red candle followed by one green candle. Now once this high has broken, we have to go for the buy entry with this as the stop loss. So this also we have explained in our training program. So if you have followed this, then you could have booked very good profit. And one more thing, see here in our monthly reversal, we have got perfect entry, then we have got this much profit. Again it went up, again by sell activated monthly setup, then it has given the targets. Again in weekly, it has taken the support here, then it has given the very good profit. So this is how we have to trade. So if you apply a little bit knowledge of price action, so you can mint money by using this indicator. So whoever has not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Also please encourage all your friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as for our Telegram channel, which is free of cost available. You can get all our updates and you can get free calls also. For any doubts, you can call us at 9500009154. So whoever subscribing to our MST ICO 3.0, they will get this indicator also for free of cost. So this also we are giving free of cost. This has many features which is respect to price action. You also will get. Thank you all for watching our video. If there is any doubts, any clarification, any query, please feel free to contact us. Thank you all. Wish you all very happy, profitable days ahead.